Mauro, vang. Wauw.
Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today me and a friend are fixing the 125 Euro PBR. There's not a lot that has to be done. Just check the bulb in the front light because that's not working, and then fix the speedometer, and then it's pretty much good to go. So let's get right into it. We're first going to look into the bulb. Now, as we expected, it's just a bulb that is broken. It's nothing too serious, so let's see if I can find a bulb between all of my parts, because some of you might not know yet, but I bought 2 more PBRs in parts. Luckily I was able to find one, so let's see if it works right now. And yes, it's a good bulb, thank God. It was the only one I had laying around, so it's a good thing it works. So now onto the speedo. The guy I bought it from said it was an easy fix. It was just that snail looking thing that connects to your front tire, so front tire has to come off. And so does the brake caliper and that little snail looking thing. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. Again, jumping into my shed to see if I can find one of those. Luckily I did. I found 2 of them, so hopefully they work. We had to make an improvised motorcycle stand out of an old plant pot, which surprisingly worked great. It was a pretty easy fix, and it worked. As you guys can see, this is how the speedo looked before we fixed it. It wouldn't move, it would stay at 0, and this is the speedo now, just working perfectly fine. So it was a really easy fix. It's a really short video as well. Sorry, I thought there was going to be more work to fix everything, but I guess this was it for this week. If you enjoyed, then please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.